Now, 27 storm track weather with meteorologist Blaze Keller.
Well, the sun has made its appearance on this Thursday, which has warmed our temperatures up from those 40s into the 50s right now, but we're going to keep these northerly winds throughout the day. So it may feel a little bit cooler at times, but overall, we're going to go into the rest of our Thursday on the quiet side. Rain moved in overnight, wrapped up this morning. A few showers off towards the Wausau area. I think they're going to maybe fizzle out. If they don't, they'll touch some of our far northeastern communities, but it really, at this point, we'll take any rain that we can get because we are still battling drought conditions. The thicker cloud cover is continuing to chip its way as it really moves off to the south and east, opening up the skies from northwestern parts of Dane County well into more central parts of Wisconsin. That's allowing our temperatures to warm on up. So here's a look at our rain totals over the last 3 hours, but again, that rain began overnight. However, the heaviest rain has accumulated, or the most rain, off towards Janesville, picking up about 1 inch to 1.5 inches. Some great news, and we'll take a look at the current drought conditions because there was an update later on here in this weathercast. 50 in Madison, 45 in Janesville, where we're still holding on to some of that cloud cover. 54 though in Lone Rock. Winds are going to remain out of the northwest throughout the day, and as I said, they are going to keep us on the cooler side, but they're going to stay anywhere between 5 to say 10 miles per hour. Don't let that deter you from getting outside. It is a comfortable day, albeit we're a little bit cooler than where we should be for this time of year. As we make our way into your mid to late afternoon, we'll hit our high temperature into those upper 50s. Keeping with those partly sunny skies, we'll go overnight quietly and kind of over the next couple of days. Don't stay indoors by any means, but you can get out there and do some outdoor gardening. You can just hang outside. We will be a little bit cooler over the next couple of days, but there aren't going to be many chances for some rain, which is both good and bad. So the blue arrow, abnormally dry conditions at the end of that, saying that we decreased the percentage from last week, but our moderate drought conditions have increased from about 23% to now 26%. So over a quarter of Wisconsin is suffering from moderate drought conditions, and there's no real soaking rains in the forecast. We'll maybe squeeze out a few showers there early this evening and then again early Friday, but then we open up the skies once again going into the start of your Mother's Day weekend, which for the most part looks pretty good for all the mothers across Wisconsin. Unfortunately though, it looks like we are going to be cooler than average as we head into the middle of May. So maybe don't put away those sweatshirts quite yet. Mid-50s today. Northwesterly winds are going to be light. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. Mother's Day on Sunday. Mid-50s after topping out in the upper 50s on Saturday. Maybe a shower or two Sunday. I don't think it's going to be an all-day event, so certainly don't cancel any plans that you have outside with your mom on this Sunday. And then next week it looks like we start to warm up just a little bit, but you know, we really are going to be hanging out anywhere between 5 to almost 10 degrees below average for this time of year.
Blaze, I'm
Yes.
looking at those 30s, and I'm thinking about my poor plants outside.
Hey, you and me both. Put a trash bag over them if you can't bring them in. That's what I've been told. Or if you don't really want the plant.
Now's a good time to be like, bye.
Just put it outside, yeah.
Yeah. All right, thanks, Blaze.